plastic unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. We are going to draw a happy sunny day. Are you guys ready to draw with me? First let's draw a big fluffy cloud like round and round we go. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Look, our cloud looks so happy. Sunny day without the sun and a bird. Now let's draw a bird and the sun. Where do you think our bird is flying to? It's cute too. Look, the rainbow. Let's draw some spike rays around the circle. Our sun is so shiny. Let's color it. I'm going to color the sun with yellow and orange and clouds with sky blue. You can color the bird any color you like. Did you know that clouds are made of tiny water droplets and clouds are super light? You can draw as many as cloud you want. Wait till the end to draw many clouds. Now it's time to draw the rainbow. Did you know rainbows always appears in the same order of colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. That's called Roy G. Biv. What shapes do your clouds look like? Does one look like an animal or a horse? Let me know by tagging me on Instagram.
Amazing!
I do love to draw with you guys. Please subscribe.